you a business owner or an entrepreneur and you're trying to build a business website for your business? Well, Canva just came in handy. Without any coding skill or technical ability, you can actually right now build your business website. And all you have to do is to pick from the template available on Canva and simply customize this template to suit your business need, and voila, you have a business website available to you. All you have to do is to actually edit, customize this template, and hit on the publish button, and your website is live. And the beautiful thing about this is the fact that this is absolutely free. You do not have to pay a single dime. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build a website from scratch to finish using the available template on Canva. Without further ado, let's hop right in. But if this is your first time on my channel, you might want to do very well to hit on the subscribe button and like this video, because I get to turn out videos that are very vital like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, also do very well to like this video and share so that more people would get to see it, and it's going to be impactful to many people. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this works.
And the first thing you want to do is to actually come on Google and type Canva. You're going to click on Canva. It's going to redirect you to the Canva website. So the first thing to do is to actually register for Canva. All right. All you have to do is to come here and click on the sign up button. It's going to ask you to actually sign up with your Google account, which is what you're going to do. And once you do that, it's going to bring you on this page where you get to click here on search. You search for website, which I'm already here on. You click on search website, and once you click on search website, there are going to be a various array of templates that will be available to you. So all you have to do is to pick from the available template that are currently here, and you actually go on to actually customize the website to actually suit your business need. So very quickly, I'm going to come here and pick on this website right here. Now, once you click on this website, all right, click on the template. The next thing is for you to customize your template. So you come here and click on customize this. And once you click on customize template, it's going to bring you here. So this is what your interface is going to look like, what your website is going to look like. So you can just scroll down to see what your website actually look like. The next thing you want to do is to actually, come here to do a little bit of editing. So here you want to change it to your business name. So let's assume our business name is Learn with Phil. I'm just going to come here and click Learn with Phil. Now you can choose to edit this by simply, increasing the size or reducing the size. All you have to do is to either drag or trim, and then you can also do that by coming here to actually increase your font size or font color. You can also choose to change the font color here by actually picking what suits you, whatever you want, whatever you think it goes with. So all you have to do is to highlight your text and click this. You're going to see that it's going to change the color for you. And if you want to go back or revert, you're just going to come here and click on undo, and then it's going to look exactly how you want to do it. And also same goes for this. Now if you want to add a new page to this, all you have to do is to actually scroll down, all right, and then you click on add a page, and then you can see that a new page has been created for you. So once a new page is created for you, you want to add an image to your page so that it looks a little bit beautiful. All you have to do is to actually come down to the point to photos, all right, and you can either have a photo, a current photo here, or you just choose from your upload. These are all images that are available for selection. You can choose to select any of these photos. So I'm just going to actually click on this photo to see what it looks like, all right. So you're going to drag your photo here, and then it just looks so good. So once you add your image, you want to drag here, you want to bring your drag button here and drag the heading button, and then you want to edit this to what you want to edit. So we're just going to click here on, we're just going to add about us here, and also to type in what we represent, you're going to drag the subheading here and then just drag it down here, and then here you can actually type in everything your company represents. So one type also here you can choose to work on your text, which is choose what text you want to use. Here you can choose to pick from the various area of text, and your text is going to look exactly as you want it to look. Now another thing you can do here is to actually change your logo, which is currently displayed here. Now to change your logo, all you have to do is to click on your logo, right, and click on delete, and then of course you also delete this, and then you come here on element. If you do not already have a logo, you can come here on element and simply type the button logo, and then click on the search button. It's going to present you with different type of logo, and you click on see all, and on see all you can decide to choose which logo suits you, And here I'm just going to click on this logo here, and then once you click on this logo, you can choose to resize this logo. All right, and then once you're done resizing this logo, you move it to this section here, and then of course you can clearly see that it's not looking clear, so you want to change the color of this logo to suit exactly what you're representing. So this logo looks exactly like what we want it to look like. But if you already have a logo, all you have to do is to come here and click on upload. And once you click on upload, you click on upload an image, and then your logo is going to be available for you to import into your device. And how that happens is that you just go to wherever your logo is on your device, on your laptop, and then click drag and drop, and then your logo would be on your upload, and then you're simply going to add your logo here, and that's how you add your logo. So assuming you want to change a particular aspect of this website into what suits you, for instance, you want to change the contact us page to what we do, you can just come here, and control that and type what we do, and then that will simply be it. And then the next thing you want to do is to come here and edit everything that it says, or rather, if you want to make it about us or probably contact us or location, this also will represent that. Now, assuming that we've been able to customize this website to look exactly like what we want it to look like, the next thing we want to do is to come here and click on preview to see what our website currently would look like. All right, haven't done everything that we need to do, haven't done the whole editing and the customizing. Now this is what your website is going to look like once you're done. You can see currently Lenwood Phil, we take pride in helping people from all walks of life achieve the justice and peace they deserve. So you're going to scroll down. Another thing is that you can choose to remember this was the site, this was what we added, the about us page. So here you can choose to actually switch to the mobile view, so you can see what your website looks like when somebody gets to view it on website. Now you need to bear in mind that about 70% of the people that will be visiting your website are going to be visiting your website using their mobile device. Also, you can revert to your desktop mode. Now, one thing you need to pay very quick attention is the fact that all of our menu buttons are not currently obvious. You can see currently it is blank, which means our menu are not available. Now, if you're wondering what menu is simply that top part of a website that shows about us, contact us, and all of that stuff, where people can just click and it just redirect them to where they want to go to. Now, for you to actually activate that, all you have to do is to come here on this toggle here and say activate navigation menu. And once you click on activate navigation menu, you can see currently that all our navigation menu is currently here. Now remember that for our contact us page, we altered some of the parts, so it's not showing the way it is showing. It's supposed to be showing. Now this is the about us page, this is the contact us page. So if you want to do any work with this, you want to edit any of these pages, remember we changed the contact us page to what we do. All right, so simply all you have to do that is to come here and click on the close button. And once you click on close button, right, you want to come here and click on the tab. And once you click on the tab, you come below it here and click on note button. And once you click on note, you can see currently it is the contact us page that is here. So you simply want to come here and edit this to what we do. And then once you click on what we do, you would notice that it's been changed to what we do. So the next thing you want to do is to revert back to preview, and let's see if what we've been able to change actually reflected on our website, right? Now you can see currently the contact us page just changed to what we do. Now, after having updated our menu button, added new sections to our website, edited all of the sections of our website, all right, customized it, the next thing you want to do is to publish your website. So to publish this website, all you have to do is to come here and click on publish. And once you click on publish, you're going to come here and click on publish setting. And on publish setting, you want to edit this because usually when you publish your website, the URL is going to be very long and you do not want that. So you click on this pen button here, right here, and come here and type home. And once you type home, you want to come here and click insert a little. Then you just input a little bit about your website. This is what is going to be showing on the Google page when your website is searched. So you want to add a very important description of your website. And then the next thing is you click on publish your website. And that's it. Your website is now live. Now this is your website link. So you want to preview your website. All you have to do to preview your website is to view your website. Now you want to come here on Google, which is literally where your website is going to be, and then this is what your website is going to eventually look like. And anybody who visits your website, this is what your website would look like for the person. All right, guys. Now, if this is you and you want to start building your website, all you have to do is to quickly go on and click the link on my description, Canva, and then you start creating your own website. You can thank me later. See you.